Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you the fuse location of a Mercedes Sprinter for example the cigar lighter fuse. I'm going to show you where it is located. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, the Service Reset My Car. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. I have more than 200 videos on my channel about different cars. If you'd like, you can check them all. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. This is a Mercedes Sprinter. It's a 2014 model, and I'm going to show you where the fuse box located is for the cigar lighter. First of all, we need to enter the car, and as you can see, I opened it, and there it is, the location for the fuse box. For example, if you need to change the fuse for the cigar lighter, you can close it by turning on the wheel over here like that. That's a turn wheel, and open it by turning it to the left. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.